Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I will show you a beautiful blanket with solid granny square. You can use any of wool and colors for this beautiful blanket. I will show you in this video a solid granny square with puff flower. I am using a lightweight wool 3 ply with 3 mm crochet hook. Use a lightweight 3 ply wool, 5 double crochet 1 inch and 3 mm crochet hook D3. Make a loop, chains 4, make a little circle, slip stitch or make a magic circle. In the ring, make chain 1 and make single crochet in the circle 1, single crochet 2, single crochet 3, 4, 5, 6. Continue and make single crochet 12 into circle, single crochet 12, first single crochet, join with the slip stitch and change color. Make a loop and change color into the same stitch, 2 chains, and we don't count these 2 chain. Into the same stitch make a cluster puff stitch, double crochet, incomplete 3 times into the same stitch. I have 3 loops and now I have 4 loops. Into the next stitch 3 times repeat a double crochet cluster, 1 time, 2 times. I have 6 loop and 3 times into the next stitch. Now I have 7 loop in the hook. Yarn over and pull all loops together, make 2 chains, close a puff stitch, into the same stitch make a slip stitch. Now I have complete a first petal in 2 stitches. We will need for 1 petals. Make 2 chains into the next stitch, repeat the same work, double crochet 3 times, incomplete a cluster, leave a loop into the hook. I have 4 loops and 3 times into the next stitch, double crochet, incomplete, 1, 2 and 3 times, 3 times into the first stitch and 3 times into the next stitch. Now I have 7 loops. Yarn over and pull all loops together, close a puff, 2 chains into the same stitch, join slip stitch. Now repeat and follow the same work around. In the 2 stitches make a puff petal, 1 2 3 4 5 6 petals we will need for this solid blanket. 1 2 3 4 5 and now 2 chains and make the last one, double crochet 3 times, a cluster. I have 4 loops. Into the next stitch repeat the same 3 times, a double crochet cluster. Now I have 7 loops. Make together 2 chains into the same stitch, slip stitch and finish off this puff flower. Now start us into the same puff flower, change color and continue a solid square around into the same flower. Now puff flower is ready. Change color, 1 2 3 4 5 6 into the same single crochet stitch into back wrong side, start work and make a corner, eight chain space, First make a chain space, 2 chains, slip stitch into the single crochet stitch, base of the single crochet, 2 chains into the next stitch, make a slip stitch, 2 chains, repeat 8 chain space around, skip 1 stitch into the next stitch, make a slip stitch, 2 chains into the next stitch, make a slip stitch, repeat and follow into the wrong side, base of the single crochet stitches, 2 chains, make a chain space, 8 chain space we will need for this pattern of squares, 1 2 3 4, repeat 3 more times the same work around. Okay, I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and the last 8 chain space we will need, slip stitch, join in the first chain space in the first stitch, and now start work into the same chain space, chain 2 space, start work and make a first corner, 3 chains we count first double crochet, make a double crochet into the next space, double crochet 1 2 and 3, make a group of double crochet 3 into the next chain space and make a corner in the next chain space, double crochet 1 2 chains, double crochet 2, continue and follow the same work around, make a corner, 2 double crochet, 2 chains, 2 double crochet and into the next space make a double crochet 3, 1 2 and 3, in the next chain space make a corner, double crochet 2 chains and double crochet 2, every side follow the same work around, make 4 corner and 4 side, follow the same work around in every chain space, repeat and follow the same work. Here at the end of the last space complete a corner, 4th double crochet 2 chains, 3rd chain, slip stitch. In the square row 1 we have completed around the puff flower. Row 2, in the same corner start work, 3 chains we count first double crochet, in the same space double crochet 1 more and in the same stitch make a double crochet in the corner next double crochet stitch and in the next 3 double crochet group, every stitch 1 double crochet across, 1 double crochet in the next stitch and 1 double crochet in the next stitch. In the next middle of corner make a corner, double crochet 2 chains and double crochet 2, every side follow the same work around for this solid blanket square. This is the increasing row 2, double crochet 2 chains, 2 double crochet and in every stitch make a double crochet 1 to the next corner, in every stitch make 1 double crochet across, in the middle of corner make a corner, double crochet in every stitch across and into the middle of corner make a corner, 2 double crochet, 2 chains, 2 double crochet, every side follow the same work. Okay, here at the end of the last space complete a 4th corner, 2 double crochet, 2 chains and join with the slip stitch in the 3rd chain, top of 3rd chain join and repeat the 3rd row 1 2 3 row repeat for every square. As we have done, 3 row repeat. Okay, in the same corner, every row start in the corner. For larger size, repeat the increasing row. 3 chains we count first double crochet in the same corner, make a double crochet, and in the top of third chain make 1 double crochet. In the next double crochet of corner make 1 double crochet, and then in every stitch make 1 double crochet across to the next corner. In each stitch make 1 double crochet to the next corner. Okay, here in the third row make 1 double crochet in every side, every stitch. In the corner, middle of corner, 2 double crochet, 2 chains and 2 double crochet. For this solid blanket square, repeat and follow the same pattern as row 3. For larger sizes, I have the square 4 inches. In every stitch make 1 double crochet across, then make a corner in the middle of corner, 2 double crochet, 2 chains, 2 double crochet. Every side follow the same work. Okay, here at the end make a double crochet, 2 chains and slip stitch, join in the third chain. We have finished and completed. For this blanket, each row we will need 7 square. For every row we will need 7 square. Now I will show you how to join squares together. This loop and the second chain back loop join together with the slip stitch. In the next stitch back loop, in the next stitch back loop, join together with the slip stitch. In the next stitch back loop, and in the next stitch back loop and make a slip stitch. Join together 2 square with the slip stitch or use needle for sewing. Join together with the slip stitch. Join from one corner to the next corner, repeat and follow the same work. In every row you will need 7 square and repeat 7 row for this blanket. Then make a ribbing, a beautiful design around the blanket. Join together with the slip stitch and then repeat. Finish off this blanket with a beautiful pattern. Like and share this video. For more videos, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for new videos. Thanks for watching.